Do these markets have you bamboozled? We're going up. No, we're going down. No, we're going up. It's called volatility. Volatility, up and down markets. And the dangerous thing is, high volatility begets low volatility. And low volatility begets high volatility. So just as you become accustomed to trading a particular way, boom, somebody changes it. That's somebody. It's that Wizard of Oz. It's the plunge team. It's this. It's that. You know what? I'm not going to deny that there's a plunge team. There is. They're here. They're a player. The Treasury's a player. We get it. We know it. There's corruption. There's media this. There's media that. And, oh, God, there's so much interference. Trump says this. Trump says that. People monitoring Twitter. People monitoring TV announcements and all that. How do you in the world do you trade these markets? Well, the majority of people just say the hell with it. Can't trade these markets. Nobody can trade it. Nobody can time it. So they just quit. And they put their money into ETFs, exchange traded funds, broadly diversified. Yes, that's it. And they just park their money there. And they hope to God we don't have a 50%, 90% correction, a few years before they retire. In the meantime, have you ever asked yourself, well, if I'm like everybody else and this market is passive and everyone's putting their money in the ETFs, who the hell is trading it? Where's all the buying and selling coming from? That's Wall Street. That's Chicago. Those folks didn't, get to build those big buildings and get those homes out on the Hamptons by being nice guys. They didn't get them by teaching you. You're looking at what we call the swing machine. My name is Don Marshall, otherwise known as Bagger Don. We started and created Stock Market Caddy, back in 2005, 2004. My wife and I created what you're looking at, the swing machine. But we also have what we call the putting machine and for options. And we got all kinds of automated and semi-automated systems to help you trade these markets day in and day out. Now, we haven't been doing this for the last, 6 months to 12 months. These systems do not use moving averages. They do not work. But the systems that we do use have been back-tested, forward-tested, and otherwise vetted. And we trade them day in, day out. Now, can you do this? Yeah, sure. You could open up a TradeStation account. We're not affiliated with TradeStation, but we think the world of them. We think they're far and away, head and shoulders above anybody else. Head and shoulders. And we get no remuneration or anything from TradeStation. We're just an absolutely thrilled customer. And they have great tutorials. But, I got to tell you, we worked extremely hard. We had to learn how to trade. We had to learn how to program. So could you build a similar system? Yeah. It took us about 10 years. But if you don't have the time, you don't have the, you just don't have the time or the interest, and you want to, read the Cliff Notes or have a mentor, we're happy to help you. We're not a broker. We're not a financial advisor. I don't want your money. We're about teaching other people to take control over this part of their life. We have a program that we call the Jumpstart Program. It can save you hundreds of dollars. Please look at our website. Please look at, we have 2 different memberships, a base membership and a level 2 membership. Think of that as the professional group, but it's really of like-minded people. And we're going to help you get to where you need to go. The best option is the Jumpstart Program. The next program, the deadline is March 15th, so you got 2 weeks. You can save hundreds of dollars. and begin to take control over this part of your life. We don't advertise. We don't bombard you with emails. I don't send out any emails, as a matter of fact. None at all. So if you are interested and say, hey, somehow, some way I found this guy and I want to talk to him, call me. I will actually answer the phone. I'm a real person. 813-758-8263. As a matter of fact, if you tried to sign up without talking with us, we won't accept. We want to at least talk with each person to make sure you understand who we are and who we are not, and that we're about helping you take control. We're not just going to hand out the fish. Will you see the signals that we're trading each and every night and each and every day? Potentially, depending upon which membership you sign up for. And could you, make decisions from there, your own decisions? Sure. But we're going to show you not just the swing machine. We're going to show you the charts. Do you know the difference between time charts and price charts? And do you really know how to trade a time chart? What indicators are you using? Do you understand what divergence is? Do you understand what momentum is? Do you understand the difference between a key reversal and a pivot reversal? Or a pivot point? Do you know what a swing point is? Do you know what a profit factor is? If you don't know any of those things, then and you've been subscribing to somebody else, or you even have a financial advisor, but he's not going to know any of those things. He's not going to tell you any of that. Then you're not getting your money's worth. Our memberships are month to month, but our best value is the Jumpstart program. So feel free. I'm losing my voice. Got a little cold. Feel free to give me a call, and happy to talk with you. And we'll get you started. I'm bagging on stockmarketcaddy.com.